Welcome to Dallas Glass and Mirror, a full-service professional and insured glass company servicing residential and commercial clients in the Dallas-Fort Worth areas. Our services include glass repair, custom mirrors, frameless shower enclosures, door repair, and a 24-hour emergency board-up service. We pride ourselves on our quality workmanship and expertise. Whatever your glass or mirror needs, we can help. We offer free estimates, affordable services, and 100% satisfaction guarantee. For more information, please visit www.DallasGlassandMirror.net or call 469-737-5374.